Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This question was asked in GATE 2014 set 3. Okay, so this is saying that let A be the square matrix of size n cross n. Consider the following pseudo code. What will be the expected output? Okay, so this is the code, and we have given that A is a square matrix of size n. So we have assumed that this is A and size of this is 3 cross 3. Okay, so this is a square matrix, and we have taken this for this example. So we will execute the program by considering this A. Okay, and after that we will conclude our statement. I will conclude our output of it. Okay, so what we are given in here, we have taken this C is equals to 100, and now we are executing this for loop, nested for loop in here. I and j are the variables. Okay, so just write I and j in here, I and this is j. Okay, and again we have also taken this temp. So we have initialized the value of I and j is 1 1, and this will go to 3. Okay, and we have also taken, so now what we are going to do, this is 1 1, and we are going to take a variable temp in here. So what we are going to take the value in here, we are going to take the value of aij, so that is a11. So and we are going to add the value c, so this value will be 101. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to store the value of a11 inside a11. So this value will be same because this is both are same, a11 a11, so this value will be same in here. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to store the value temp minus c. Temp is 101, c minus c, that is will be 1. So a11 will be 1, so this is same. Okay, so now we are going to increase the value of j to 2, and now what we are going to access in here, temp value will be 1 2, so 1 2 is 2, this value will be 102. And now what we are going to access, we are going to change the value of a12 will be changed from a21, so this 4, so this value will be 4 now. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to store the value temp minus c, that is 2, inside a21, so this value will be 2 now. Okay, and now we are going to increase the value of j, that will be 3. So we are going to store the value of a13, that is 3, so this value will be 103 because we are adding c in here. Now we are going to change the value of a13 of this with the value a31, so this value will be coming in here, this 7, and we are going to store the value in a31, that is in here, that is the value temp minus c, that will be 3. Okay, temp minus c, that is 103 minus 100, and we are going to now increase the value of this, and this condition is false, and that's why, because this is n is 3 and this value is more than 3, and that's why this will come out of this. And now we are going to increase the value of I, and again this j will be initialized with 1. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to access the value of a21, so a21 is this 2, so temp value will be 102, and we are going to store the value inside a21, so a21 is this 2, so what is the value stored in here, a12, so 12 is this, so this 4 will be coming in here. Okay, so this 4 will be coming in here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to store the value inside a12. Okay, so in here we are going to store temp minus c, that will be 2 now. Okay, now we are going to increase the value of j, that is 2. So now what we are going to access, a22, so a22 is accessed in here, so temp value will be 105 now. Okay, a22 is 5 plus 100 is 105, and now what we are going to do, a22 will be changed to a22, so this will be same, and this a22 will be, so again temp minus c, that is 5, will be stored inside a22, so that will be same. Okay, now we are going to increase the value of this j. Now we are going to store the value of a23, so 23 is this 6, so 106 will be coming inside this temp. And now what we are going to change the value, we are going to change the value of a23, so that means 2 3 we are in here, this will be changed by the value 3 2, so 3 2 in here, so 8 will be coming in here. Okay, and after that we are going to store the value in here, that is temp minus C. So okay, we are just changing the value of this, so 6 will be coming in here, and after that this value is increased, so this condition is false, and that's why this will come out of the for loop, and this value will be increased in here, so this value will be initialized again. And now what we are going to access, we are going to access the value of 3 1, so this value will be accessing, so 3 1 is 103. Again we are going to store the value inside this 3 1, so 3 1 will be this, and we are going to store the value of this 1 3, so 1 3 is this 7, so this will be changed in here. Okay, so this value will be 7. Now what we are going to do, we are going to store the value in A13, so A13 is this, so this value will be 3, so these values are swapped. Now we are going to increase the value of this J, we are now accessing the value of 3 2, so 3 2 is this value 6, so this value will be 106 in here in the temp, and we are going to change the value of A32, so we are going to change the value of this 3 2 in here with the value of 2 3, so 2 3 is this, so this will be 8 now. Okay, so this will be 8 now, and in the J in the A23, in the A23 this value will be 6 now. Okay, now we are going to increase the value of this J, and we are going to access the value of this 3 3, so this 3 3 will be, temp value will be 109 in here, temp value will be 109 in here. We are going to access the value of A33 and will be stored in A33, so this value will be same. Now we are going to change the value of A33 to temp minus C, that will again C, that will again 9. Okay, so again we are going to increase the value of this J, so this condition is false, and this will come out of this internal for loop, and after that we are going to increase the value of this I, so this condition is false now, and that's why this come out of this outer loop. Okay, and now we are going to read this, these for loop are just to print the value of a matrix. Okay, so what will be the output, so this is the resulting matrix. So what is the resulting matrix? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so input and output string is same, so the matrix is A itself, so this is the correct answer. So we have executed this code in this 3x3 matrix, and the input string, the input matrix and the output matrix is same, and that's why the matrix A itself is the output of it, so A is the correct answer of it. So thank you so much.